Tragedy in Tredegar Park. 2 boys drowned in the rear Cobre. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, cops question father accused of killing 3-year-old child.
Police make big clampdown on counterfeit goods.
More ZICV cases discovered.
The requirements outlined to a U.S. charity which invited the Prime Minister's wife to an event.
In the business day, Lasco looks at going into agriculture.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Does it bother you that no economist has so far been named to the government's Economic Growth Council?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.